ang issue dinhi is not atheism, but idolatry. That is the gospel. Whereas the first reading, it's atheism. So, unsa man, historical background, 163 years before the birth of Jesus Christ, there was a king whose name is Antiochus IV. If you still remember in our world history, during that time, the world was conquered by Alexander the Great. And after his death, his empire was divided into 4 kingdoms. And one of that kingdom divided to his generals. And one of that 4 generals, ang iya anak, mao si Antiochus. Okay. So, practically, that Antiochus was a pagan. And ang iya domain was the Palestine, where Jerusalem is located. And what did he do 163 before the birth of Christ? Iya now gibutang sa templo sa Jerusalem. Take note nga ang templo is so central sa mga Hudiyo. Why? Because in the temple, that is in the center, the Holy of Holies, what is deposited there is the 10 Commandments. And these 10 Commandments set apart sa mga Hudiyo. Why? Mingon sila, we are the most insignificant. We are the most powerless country. But there is an advantage to us. We are the one chosen by God. And that they believe themselves that they were the enlightened people. And what is the visible, the sensible mga butang wherein they can see and say that indeed we are the chosen people, ang napulo kasugo. So take note on that. So it set them set apart from the other countries. And this napulo kasugo is deposited in the temple of Jerusalem. And that is what we call the Holy of Holies. Mauna ang insinsuhan. Now here comes Antiochus IV. Iya gud gi-desecrate ang temple. In what manner? Now he enshrined Zeus de Olympus. Nakanumdum pa, this is a Greek god, di ba? The god of the Greeks. So iya gibutang diha kini nga Ginoo. So nag-react ang mga Hudiyo because they reacted starting atong Monday up to now. We heard that our first reading is taken from the book of Maccabees. So what was the effect? Persecution. So they were persecuted. And after 3 years, this is now our first reading. Judas Maccabeo liberated Jerusalem. And now they rededicated the temple of Jerusalem. So what is the connection of the first reading to the gospel? The word temple. Now we will go to the gospel story. Templo, diha na ang templo. So, I said it is not an issue of atheism. Bisan din ni sa ato. Wa gyud tawo nga moingon nga dili ko motuo o Ginoo. However, that person nga miingon mituo sa Ginoo could commit idolatry. Example, Kristiyanos, pero bisan Domingo dili mo simba. Ngano man miingon, gidaw Padre, ako may gibilinan sa ako mga apo. So apo to late. You are supposed to be in the church, pero ang priority nimo ang imo mga apo. That is idolatry. Nakuha? Mituo na sa Ginoo ha. That is a form of idolatry. Domingo, tanan ba musimba? Daily. Nga naman, they have their own business to undertake. That business to undertake that occurred happened on a Sunday, that is idolatry. Okay, para na sa musimba. How about namo? Mao na ni karon ang ato gospel story para makasabot mo. Ngano man, this is now at the end of the public ministry of Jesus. Nag-inorserbar lang to si Kristo. Di ba, in the temple, you have to offer sacrifices. Let us be practical. Kung ikaw, dato, ang imo dapat i-sacrifice karnero. Kung ikaw, pobre, so, may economic standing daw, no? Di na karon, kaniyadto pa na. Di ba? Kung ikaw, pobre, unsa man ang imo i-offer? 2 turtle doves. If you remember kang Mama Mary, di ba? The cleansing ni Mama Mary, ang iya gi-offer 2 turtle doves. It means pobre sila Mama Mary. However, nagtinakaway sa mga tao, not applicable ni Mama Mary. Mihingon, basta maka-offer, mao nang importante. Unsa may gihimo sa mga dato. Instead mo offer o karnero, 2 turtle doves. Nagkinuripot. No, okay. Asa Manila palita ang kining mga offering. They have to be practical. Unsa may ila, diha sila mo palit sa temple. Unsa man na, negosyo na, di ba? Sa temple, diha sila mo palit og offering. So sa ato na karon, unsa may tawagan na, simony. Di ba nanay kanta ako ni imo ni, simony. Di ba? Kasabot mo sa simony, that is a sin committed by selling out and buying in of sacred objects. For example, February 2. Unsay celebration sa February 2? Candelaria. Mingon ka, Mare. Di man ko makasimba, idolatry again. Paliti na lang ko og binditado nga kandila. So ikaw kay very enterprising ka, unsa man. Sige Mare, ako nalay palit. Tapos ang imo la palit 100. Mingon ka, kay binditado man ni. 150 na ni. So that 150 kanang 50 maunay simony. Because ang puhunan 100. Mingon ka man giminditahan ni na 150 na. That is mortal sin. Dapat 100 lang pauli sa imong palit. Nakuha. So, karon namalit sila. Kinsa man ang tag-iya sa tindahan. Para ni Ang mga pari. O, nakuha na ninyo. Ang mga pari. Mao'y tagiya, balibulok. Diba? So, hakot tanan. Karon, what is now what we call the money use during the time? Remember, ang kwarta kaniadto, gikan sa Roma. Oo. Ang kwarta kanadto na ay imahe sa emperor sa Rome. So unsa may gihimo sa mga pare because of the strict sense of monotheism. Mingon kana nga kwarta dili na pwede gamiton pagpalit sa mga offer. Another form of negosyo. Unsa man? Money exchange. Diba? Kung abroad ta, nasa airport, money exchange. Where is now the cheating? The cheating is the rate of the money exchange. Kinsa malay magbuot, kang gisugo sa pare. Instead nga dapat maring money exchange, ay sobra diba? Mauna na karon nga nahangit si Kristo. O mingon siya, nahisulat sa kasulatan nga ang Dios nag-ingon, ang akong balay tawgon, balay alampuanan, apan gihimo ninyo kini nga taguanan sa mga tulisan. Where is the tulis? Ona, the offering. Ang ipalit sa offering is another tulis. So, duha ka tulis. Nakuha ninyo? So now, Jesus is telling them, do not make my Father's house as a marketplace. What is that? Enterprising. Diba may ako example ganina? Idolatry. Enterprising. So therefore, what is this temple of God? It should be plainly place of prayer. Nakainumdum nga mo ni Archbishop Lino Gonzaga, wa ko kaabot. Ang nagsulti nako si Iyo. Kailan mo ni Iyo? Oo, because he was the last secretary ni Archbishop Gonzaga. Kinsa si Iyo? Si Kote. Mana si Iyo? Si Kote. Unsa man. May instruction yun si Monsignor Lino Gonzaga. You know him. He was very, very great in giving homily. Moingon gito siya, do not make mention of money during the Mass. Sabot na mo, anak. Di ba, Meng? Ang nag-amot si Donya. Di ba? Ayaw, daanan siya, ha? Di ba, magmudot si Donya? Di ba? So, do not make my temple as a marketplace. It is not the amount. It is the heart. If it is the heart, it should be quiet. However, let us remember. So what is this all about? The first purpose of the temple is it is a house of prayer. And foremost in the prayer is an act of adoration. It is worship. So therefore, it is now here worshiping. We will go now to the second form of the temple. During our baptism, we are made as temple of God. In what manner? Because we receive the Holy Spirit. That is why we are the temple of God. Where is now the desecration of the temple? Is the presence of sin. That is the desecration of the temple. So as we continue with our worship today, first, let us purify our intention and understanding of the temple. Modesty aside, mauna, paghimo nako sa simbahan sa simangan, di kagyud kakita og donated by. Di kagyud kakita. And I have a benefactress there, muhatag og milyones, never with a specific instruction coming to that family. Do not mention our name. Million sa million. Do not mention our name. And that family, that lang. Oh, it should need to be publicized, but never with their instruction. Do not make announcement nga kami ang nag-donate. Because of the principle, the names of the fools are written in the walls. Diba? The names of the fools are written on the walls. So, mga mo public CR, I am here. Diba? Like vandalism, I am here. Imo sa tubagon. And so what? Diba? Oh, and so what? If you are here, it does not make this place different before or prior of your presence. And so what? Diba? But the same time, this temple is us. Let us struggle. Especially, we are now almost at the tail end, that the real temple will be pure. Because after all, this temple will be the one to be presented to the throne of God. Let us now pray for our need, and in every prayer, let our response be, Amahan kaluii kami.